you like the Gorgon, let me know in the comments. Oh, that's the one problem with this Gorgon is... Hello guys, Steve here, Arrma with the Arrma Gorgon. We're gonna play around with it and take it through some stuff. Just see what the heck it could do. So, hang with me. Let's see what this sucker could do. Oh, it ain't gonna go over that branch, that's for sure. But I'm surprised it went up this steep hill. Holy, oh, right into the fence. Oh, you don't want to do wheelies on that. I don't believe it goes right up that. Oh, you see what I hit there? You don't want to hit those. I don't believe this is going up here. Alright, let's take it somewhere else. Like I said, I'm just going to go around and run this thing. You guys bear with me. We'll find different stuff to try it on. Wonder how it jumps over this. Should we try it? Let's try it. Whoa. Alright, gotta watch out for that pole. Let's see what it does on here. Oh yeah, looks like it's on. How does it go around this cone course? Just kidding. Oh, going up this pretty damn good. This stuff's rough. I did put some spacers in the front one and I added one in the back. I think I might have to take that one out in the back. It makes it steer too quick. See how it does in the grass? This thing's awesome. Stock, it's fast enough. It goes almost 26 miles an hour like you've seen in my GPS speed test. It just flies. People asking me what I like better, this or the Stampede. I owned like 4 Stampedes and 1 Nitro Stampede. I have to say this Arrma is much better. I like it a lot more. It's more modern. The suspension, everything on it rides smoother. The wheelbase is longer. Just works like a beauty. Where did I go? This outperforms Stampedes.
Oh, that's awesome, man. That is cool as hell.
We're on video for my channel.
Oh, yeah?
It's got this guy here. He likes it.
That's awesome, man.
It's awesome, right? It's cheap.
How much?
$169 ready to run with
I used
everything.
to have, do you ever hear the Fox?
Yeah.
I used to have the Fox.
Tamiya.
And then my brother had one that had it was train jib, and I don't remember the name, but I had a chain.
Probably a Kyosho.
Maybe. I used to love it. We'd buy the upgraded motors. I love that thing, dude.
All right. You don't mind being on my video, do you? Take care.
See you later, man.
Thanks. See you later. Yeah, that guy had some cars. He had a Tamiya, and his brother had some chain driven. That was probably a Kyosho, I'm betting. But yeah, as I was saying, I own many Stampedes, and this thing just outperforms it, hands down. Whoa! And it's tough. And I just hit these rocky ledges. I like this thing a lot. That's what I hit. Rocky. The suspension on it's so much more active than a Stampede. It's plush. And a Stampede's not as active. Whoa! I did put some spacers in here. It's a little stiffer. I think it might have worked better stock without them in the back anyhow. Who knows, maybe more will be better. I didn't really try it. It's still going pretty good. You can see the A-arms moving. This don't look rough, but on the build, believe me, it's rough. There's rocks the size of baseballs on here. I'll just show you right here how rough this is I'm riding on. Look at this. There's these rocks are as high as the tire almost, and they're all gullied and hilled. It's basically like for a crawler. But hands down, to me, this kills the Stampede. There's no even comparison. See what else we could take it on. Took it on loose rock. Took it on sand. Took it up that hill of big rock. Well, let's try this. This is a steep hill. Let's see if we can get up this. Like I said from the beginning, bear with me. I'm just going over everything, seeing what the hell this Gorgon could do. Oh! And it takes a beating. Oh, that's the one problem with this Gorgon, is the front suspension is a little too soft. I think more spacers will be better in there, because when you turn this and it turns, it wants to dip like the front tire like that. It's a little too soft. I think if you stiffen it up, more spacers will probably handle better. But other than that, that's good. If you like the Gorgon, let me know in the comments. I'm liking it. I don't know what more I could do with this thing. Went over rocks. I brought it in the baseball field already. Did hill climbs with rocks. Brought it here in the grass. Working good and everything. I'm running a 2S LiPo. Pretty nippy. Oh! Holy smokes. That's it, guys. I threw a lot of stuff at it. Let me know what you think in the comments if you like the Gorgon. let me know, leave me a like, all that good stuff to help the channel out. Sorry about that airplane above. But thanks for watching, guys. I beat it up pretty good. The body looks like it may not be Lexan on this because when it bends it gets white. I think it might be that PVC. That's probably why it's tearing on a lot of guys, like I tore mine. But that's the only downside. And you just gotta adjust the shocks, maybe thicker oil in the front, more spacers I think. But other than that, perfect. I like this a lot better than any of my Stampedes I had. And I had a lot, like I said, and I fixed them up with all the good parts. They still didn't work like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Arrma, built tough.